The Anvaya Beach Resort Bali, located in the center of Kuta, a highly appealing destination on the island of the gods. The Anvaya Beach Resort Bali offers true Balinese hospitality for your exotic tropical vacation. Our 5-star resort benefits from its direct beach access and is equipped with a wide range of contemporary, relaxing and luxurious features and amenities. The elegant and charming ambience of the Anvaya pampers the eyes with architecture inspired by Bali's rich cultural history. From the ancient times of the Bali Oga to Hindu Bali and modern Bali, Anvaya means connection in Sanskrit, which encourages us to focus on building strong connections with our guests by providing you with an Indonesian home.
Sands, our beachfront restaurant, offers a diverse range of international cuisine, including American and Asian-inspired dishes. Our menu features fresh seafood, grilled meats, and an array of salads, ensuring there's something for every palate. Our inclusive breakfast buffet is a highlight of your stay at the Anvaya Beach Resort. Enjoy a vast selection of international and local dishes, carefully crafted to satisfy your morning cravings. Start your day with a steaming bowl of ramen or pho, expertly prepared to warm your senses. Fresh fruits, juices, and a dedicated juice bar offer a refreshing start to your day. Our breakfast buffet is a true celebration of global flavors, with something for every taste and preference.
You know, I don't even care what day it is. What time is it? Let me see your clock. It's 10:49 in Bali. So it's shot o'clock. It's shot o'clock. And they pointing at me because they finna make me pay for the shots.
Shot o'clock on him.
Shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock on
Shot
both.
o'clock.
Shot o'clock.
We got the Dawn Julio.
That's it.
My baby got the Malibu.
And we nervous.
They nervous.
Woo! Oh, I'm definitely nervous. I'm definitely nervous.
She like she about to snort some coke.
I don't remember the order though.
Why you got it everywhere?
So salt. Okay. Okay.
You don't even know how to take these shots when we about to be lit. We about to be lit.
Thank you.
We at the Anvaya.
Well, at least he gave you a decent amount.
Yes, because he understands my pain. On the video is giving our lives away to the tequila.
Are you ready?
Not yet. What you doing with the salt?
Lick, drink,
You ain't never took a tequila.
Bite.
So you just drinking tequila.
Yeah, it's
Without
right.
salt. Oh, that's your heart.
Okay.
Yes, please. Yoo-hoo. Yes.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Mrs. Baker. We have left Udaya Resorts and now we in Kuta in the Anvaya Hotel. Y'all, and I just want you to check out this view. Like, now this ain't for everybody, but you know, the Bakers, when we do it big. Las Vegas. Okay. I mean, we got views of the beach in walking distance, and I cannot wait to see this sunset tonight. That it's gonna be beautiful. Then we got our own like private pool area and chilling area where we can get coffee, tea, and little hors d'oeuvres throughout the day. So that's pretty neat. And I'm going to finish my cappuccino as I talk to you guys. Watch your step, it's a doozy. This resort is so big that we had to get a cart to take us to our room. Because you know, my husband's still spoiling me because it's still my birthday. So, I'm getting the princess treatment all day, every day. So, please welcome. As you can see, we also have our own private pool with lounge chairs, and that's pretty deep. I don't know how deep it is yet, but you see, we have a ladder. 1.5 meters. Do the calculation. I can't tell you.
The other was 1.4.
Well, now
This is deep.
this is deep.
I'm about to die.
Welcome home. Without the car key.
Hang yourself up.
Now welcome home to our beautiful suite. Close that. Keep the good air in. So what I want to start with first is right here in the living room. You have your TV where you have all types of features. I mean, you get every movie that you can play. HBO, Apple, Disney, you can connect. Great. Then you have your eating area with your fresh fruit. And y'all, these grapes actually are seeded. For those who live in the States, you know the struggle of finding seeded grapes. Okay? Yes. And that
What's
is They're strawberry here. This is the Balinese strawberry. I never had it.
Both of us at the same time.
Cut! Cut! Don't know what that is, y'all. We supposed to open it. They ain't tell us that part. Okay. All right. I think I gotta open enough. I don't know if we're gonna like this. But we're gonna try it. All right. Now we. I really don't know the name of this. It's like an apple. It tastes like an apple.
It's a bit hard. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I'm getting that.
Yeah, it's almost like an apple. And it's some big seeds in here, whatever it is. Okay. No, don't eat the shell. Okay. And because we already started outside, you can see the beautiful view of the pool. Just make sure you don't take the step off. You're going straight.
You're going straight down.
Straight into the water.
Oh yeah, you're going straight in.
So watch
Straight
your step.
in.
It's the doozy.
Straight in.
Okay. We're going to lock that back just in case we come here drunk. So people with kids, make sure y'all lock this up. Okay. All right.
Put out the bubbly.
Oh.
Bubbly, baby.
Whoops. Flour gone. But here we go. I'll take the flour with me. Okay. What they say this was?
I don't know. It looks like orange mixed with mango.
No, this is a welcome drink. We will try that later. Okay. As we continue our journey, here is the king size bed with your desk and storage space. Oh, and here, room service is 24 hours. Love that. This area, you can make your coffee, you have your water, you can make your tea. And down here, we have the mini bar. With the suites, I think everything on here, actually, your mini bar is actually included. So that is actually nice. Is that a latte? Yoink. Okay, I'm gonna be very caffeinated. You have extra storage spaces here to put things that you might want. Oh, and you have 2 extra glasses down here.
Like. Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is where you get your glasses if you need extra glasses. Yeah, my coffee drinker, have a latte that's already made. Definitely having that. In this area, you have a scale, you have your shoes, you have a mat. And here you have a shoe polisher. For those days you need to polish up your shoes. You have robes and umbrellas with your ironing board and iron. And in this one you have your safe with some extra spaces here. You have a flashlight. You never know, people. Always should keep a flashlight. Never know. Alright. You have a drying rack. His and her sink. They give you Listerine. Give you the good stuff. Oh, what this is. You have lotion and hand soap. Oh, there's a little cute little hand soap. And these glasses are so cute. All right, with your hair dryer And that looks about it. Then you have, this is where I'm going to be, the bathtub with the TV, treated as a queen. Okay, this is where I am going to be. Then in the bathroom, you have your toilet and your duvet. And I don't see that sign that said, please don't flush paper towels here, so it must be safe. Just FYI. Last but not least, with this thick old rug, I'm gonna put it front of this step. These are beautiful rugs. You have this enormous shower with 2 heads. I mean, we both can have our own separate hot and cold water. You know, ladies, we like it hot, they like it lukewarm. So now you ain't gonna have that problem. And you can still shower together, so, and have a good old time. Well, you guys, that is all I have. So with that being said, Mrs. Baker out. Bye!